Are you ready? Come on. You gotta be in this too, huh? Okay, well, it's been a few weeks since I've made a video. Been hanging out the house, nothing to do, just stare at the walls, you know. I got some doctor's appointments done and that sort of stuff. So, and then Alan showed up, said he had to go camping, so all I needed was an excuse. So we're out at the lake, Roosevelt Lake, as a matter of fact. So I guess we're going to be here for a few days. It was 31 degrees last night. Warmed up pretty nicely this morning. Later in the week it's going to be in the high 60s, so that'll be good. And what else? The water level's up. Camp host. Oh, guess who's back?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, garçon. I was just going, hey, what about me? Okay. How's that?
How you doing, John?
Good.
Good.
Sleep well?
Oh, man, I slept like a log.
Yeah. Got some good solar today. Did you ever get your panel turned around?
No.
Not yet?
No, I got home and got lazy and didn't do anything.
Yep.
So.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Staring at the walls?
No?
No.
No.
You were talking about moving some stuff around in there. You were going to move your table around or something, make a desk and all that?
Like I say, I got home and got lazy and I didn't ever do that, so.
We have all these great ideas, you know, but they never, you know, most of the time they just stay at ideas. So, yeah, you were going to make a desk?
Actually, I've got a desk that I've had for a number of years, and it would fit perfectly right in there where the table is at.
Oh, yeah, I remember now. Yeah.
And,
do you mind? Feels like a bib.
Well, that's what it was.
Oh.
Didn't want you to dribble on your shirt.
Yeah.
Now, with that table in there the way it is, it's almost useless to have anybody on the back side because it's too tight in there.
Yeah.
So I was going to take that table out and the seats on one end and put that desk in there, and that would leave more space between the desk and the kitchen sink. And that, you know, and then I could put a chair in there.
Yeah.
Still have somebody able to sit on one end.
Yeah, those RV tables and dinettes are the most uncomfortablest thing in the world.
Yeah, that's another thing. Those seats around the dinette in there are just worthless.
Yeah.
It's like sitting on plywood, which is, that's what's underneath it. So.
Yeah. You got a cushion about that wide, you know.
Yeah, but when you sit on it, it's only about that wide.
Yeah. Kids do great, but adults, nah, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
So, well, anyway, I just wanted to do a little update. Some people have been asking if I was okay. Yeah, I'm all right. I just got bored. Now, you guys, you know, if you've been around my channel and know enough to know that sometimes I just do that. I just don't make any videos for a while just because. So, well, we're about to get started, I guess. It's been pretty cold up in the mountains, so we're not looking at that anytime soon. But we're going to be trying to do the lake a lot. So, I guess that's it for now. I can't think of anything else. So.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Here's to you.
Thank you, garçon, for the coffee.
You're quite welcome.
What's for dinner? Now I'm pushing it now.
I keep telling you, save it for later.
Yeah.
I think you got it in the bag.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, you lost your booty.
Uh-oh.
Lost your booty, sweetie.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Better get that booty back on there.
Yeah.
Got
You believe that? Look at that dog with booties on.
Lost 2 of them.
She likes it though. She prances all around, you know.
Yeah, she's got a bounce in her step. Maybe it's the rubber on the bottom.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
But she's got a bounce in her step that she doesn't usually have.